Well, Deepak Jasani, head of retail research at HDFC Securities, joins in to discuss fundamentals of the market now. Deepak, hi, welcome to the show. Let's start with your thoughts on Infosys and TCS. I mean, a lot of the brokerages are very unhappy with the margins that Infosys reported. But what is your view? Do you think that maybe is it a good time to probably nibble in on the stock now?
Good morning. Yeah, even we have a view that Infosys for the near term may not go anywhere. There are some short-term pains that it is facing. So having regard to that, people who want a return in the near term should stay away from Infosys. The only savior there is the buyback, ongoing buyback of about 8,300 crores, which is has already started. But over the medium term, because the CEO of Infosys has taken certain steps which will work out in his favor or in the company's favor maybe 2 or 3 quarters down the line. So in that sense, given the fact that Infosys is quoting at a cheaper PE compared to TCS, and for people who are willing to wait out for 2 or 3 quarters, then probably for them it is a good time to start accumulating the stock.
What about TCS after the results, Deepak?
Yeah, TCS has come out with good numbers, and so probably as a knee-jerk reaction, a lot of people may, as of today, be shifting from Infosys to TCS. So we could see TCS sort of at the current level for today and maybe tomorrow, but post that I think sell-on news will come in even in TCS, and even that stock may come under some pressure later on.
Okay. Deepak, you know, the view is that banks might in fact obviously pull through the earnings season or will really be the big anchor for the earnings season this time. What is your view in terms of PSU banks on the bottom line?
PSU in Q4, I think the PSUs will do well because of the base quarter. They had a lot of provisioning. So this year, I think the provisioning will be much lower. So on a year-on-year basis, I think this quarter will be good for all financials, including the PSU banks. But going forward, I think what is crucial for PSU banks is that the slippages from other sectors or other segments should not increase, whether it is telecom and a host of other sectors which are under pressure. So in case that happens, then probably the hope or the excitement over end of provisioning may not last long.
Deepak, just to go back to IT, we get Wipro results tomorrow, and then on Wednesday we get Mindtree results. I don't know if you cover both those names, but any thoughts on these two stocks?
Yeah, we cover both of them. Now Wipro again is a slow and steady player, not in the same league as Infosys and TCS as everyone knows, but I think it has been making gradual inroads and setting its house right. Plus it is also going to consider buyback. So this will be some carrot for the stock price in the near term. Last time around people made good money in I think Wipro. So there could be a repeat of that depending on what price the buyback is going to happen and what is the quantum of the buyback. Now Mindtree, I think it is a niche company because of the recent action of sale of a big chunk by a shareholder. I think there is some uncertainty. The promoters or the owners of Mindtree sort of try to resist that. L&T has come in as a shareholder and has made an open offer. But I think the business is on track. It is quoting at premium valuation. It will continue to quote at premium valuation. In the transition period between between now and the time when L&T sort of comes in as a big owner and a big management say, with a big management say, I think the stock price will remain flat or may underperform for some time. But medium term, I think the company will continue to do well.
Okay. All right, Deepak, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that's the view coming in from HDFC. For the markets, nothing much to incrementally report except for the Nifty, which is at 11,670. We have the Bank Nifty, which is above 30,100 at this point in time. Take a break, but on the...
See you on the other side.